Hello Twinmotion users, my name is Alex and I'll be your Twinmotion guide during this training. I've been doing ArchVIZ professionally for the last 15 years, and in this class I'm gonna teach you how to get the most quality out of your Twinmotion. We're going to begin from exporting our 3D model as FBX and importing it into Twinmotion for adjustments. After getting some references, we're going to plant landscape, add materials, and play around with our dynamic day system to get the most realistic lighting. The goal of this class is to get the most cinematic output. Therefore, we are going to learn about camera lenses, depth of field, and special color correction filters that can be applied to your cameras. Crème de la crème of this class is the VR option. We are going to teleport into our tropical house and see how we can use VR in real time to adjust materials while using HTC Vive inside Twinmotion. If this is something that you would like to learn, I warmly encourage you to join our class and learn Twinmotion, Unreal and VR. See you in the next video.